All right, guys. So now moving on to the custom segment of the showcase here. I'm gonna specifically focus on those pieces that the newly acquired pieces in my wardrobe that were subject to some level of customization. And starting things off is this new pair of Oxfords that I commissioned with my friend Mitch from Zatorres. Now you guys know that I've been working with Mitch and Zatorres for a few years now, and they've quickly become one of my go-to makers. Exceptional quality, made in Spain, and if you go onto their website, it allows for for a series of customizations. I mean, in my opinion, they're one of the best kept secrets in the entire shoe industry. And this pair I'm about to show you guys kind of highlights why, in my opinion. So let's do the actual unboxing. So again, Zatores's racing green, which has become a trademark for their brand. Really gives it a nice kind of heritage aesthetic. And shoes themselves. These are whole cuts. So as you guys know, or you guys may know, or maybe not aware of it, and we'll know after the showcase, a pair of whole cuts is basically a pair of shoes that are made from one piece of leather, right? Amongst the hardest and most challenging shoes to make, because there's practically zero margin for error. When it comes to the shoemaker actually putting these together, which generally means that a pair of whole cuts come at a slightly higher price point, which makes perfect sense. So yeah, very sleek, nice, slightly round last. Come with a pair of Zatorres beechwood shoe trees. Take these out. Here you go. Beautiful, ain't it? Now as for shoes themselves, if you look really, really close, you can see my initials right here. Which again, was really nice touch, because oftentimes with the other shoes in my wardrobe which do have my initials, they're generally on the sole. But I guess Mitch and I wanted to do something different with this pair. Now let's take a look at the right side. It's very well done. And in my opinion, again, Zatorres, one of the best kept secrets in the shoe industry, especially with the level of customization one can apply to any pair of their shoes. Not only in terms of the last, but the patina, obviously, the type of sole. You could opt for a regular like a hand grade sole, a commando sole, whatever you want, and even down to the types of laces too. Just an insane level of customization, especially when one and a great value, especially when one takes into consideration wherever shoes are made. As well as the construction methods used. So just one final look at my new custom Zatorres Whole Cut Oxfords in a racing green with the medallion toe. My initials on the side of a shoe, which you probably can't see very clearly here. And all of the bells and whistles. So again, thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Zatorres. And yeah, definitely looking forward to continuing our relationship.